You know it?
Dread, I tell you already, we go in the Azari Center.
You know, it's up in all this bush.
But I tell you already, we go in the Azari Center.
I don't see the point of any place have a set of bush and a set of tree.
Dread, what you mean you don't see the sense, Dread? Just put your hand out all the windows and feel all this cool breeze. One.
But you have me driving on, it's up in all this bush.
Dread, I tell you, we just go in the Azari Center to check out what they have now.
I don't see the point, no? I set a bush in one area and you can't see that. What's the point?
What do you mean you don't see the point, Dread? Dog, put your hand outside and just feel all this real nice breeze.
Why have the breeze when you can have AC inside the car, boy?
Sure, it's in a big house.
Dread, from a brochure I read, I hear how up there. Okay, crap, the weather.
We're driving on, it's up in all this bush.
I tell you what, we go in the Azari Center to check out what they have now.
I sure all they have is a set of bush and you can see bush all around the country. They don't go anywhere for that.
Dog, if you put your hand outside, you'll feel this real nice breeze. So, you understand what I'm saying? Us? It really. But all I know is I keep my window up.
Well done. Well done. Well done.
Why?
Because you keep your window up.
Oh, so that was part of...
You were not supposed to be done.
God. But all I know is, Dread, I keep my window down. And plus, I read in the brochure, all this, all these trees and everything, all these forests and things, really important. Because, like, it's for, makes a watershed now. And for animal conservation and some called genetic diversity, biodiversity conservation.
Yeah, boy, I was reading that same article, boy, and it's a quarry up by me, and I real mess up the river up by me, and it's 4 quarries up by me, so I can imagine the damage they're doing up there.
Ways, boy. Anyways, I just hope we reach fast. Just drive a little faster now, boy, Sean.
Where I'm coming from?
Because I'm waiting for this one to get bungs.
So, them quarrymen and them know what they're about, they're making real money. Real money. And you see a piece of land like this, I could clear off all them trees and build a nice big house right there. No more. And you see, I be living nice up inside it. Cut down all them trees. Hey! Do you see that?
Cut that, seriously.
You want catch?
Yeah, I don't know. This is the worst accident ever in the face of humanity.
Hey!
What's going on here, Dread?
You see that?
What's that?
Some woman boy.
What is this, boy? Come on.
Yeah, that's good. Alrighty then. Now we get bunks already or something?
No.
This one
look.
It look real good, like professional, like it get bunks already and nice already.
Right, Rick.
You know you're doing right? I need a pen.
Let me tell you which part to go. I think it have a specific spot. Oh, it's recording still, yes? 1.
Wasting my time up in the back here.
Nah, I was.
I'm wasting my time up in the back here. Hey, boy.
But what's going on here? Woman, you crazy?
What you doing?
I crazy, I in the bush.
Exactly.
What are you doing?
But what you doing out here?
It's a blind corner. Where are they headed?
You gonna see Azari Center?
Right, and then all our speed. But they must
Yeah.
be able to conserve the gas, drive slow. Oh my god.
Man, the drive still is a
And all
bunch
the
of bush.
shops and all, they have no respect.
None at all.
Nothing at all.
Let me see how you looking.
How I looking?
Look like one of them garbage collectors get hold of.
Oh my
Who the jail is
I will
this?
fix all it. All it. By the end of the day, all
Sean,
all the
I really trust this woman.
Let go there now, boy.
But what was that, boy?
No idea.
People out here, whew, the ruthless,
Come up in
boy.
the bush, you know.
Hence?
Rick, what do you think about the scene, boy?
Boy, there's a mad scene, boy.
Boy, it's boy.
Like, let's go up the road now.
Yeah, boy. 3, 2, 1.
Just do it.
Watch?
Yeah.
In a creepy way.
Dude, just like how it was just now. Just like how it was just now. Yeah.
You can even put the thing over your head. Hold on.
You turn off your engine?
Yeah, look here, your hair fall out. Your wig.
Okay, basic guys. Tell her what to make sure, yeah.
Just state it. Look, 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 look.
See, creepy face. Smile, yeah. No, not creepy smile.
Come on, man. Where you really going now? It's all up in this bush.
Oh, so we mean all this bush, or tell her we go in the SRI center though.
I don't see the point of conserving trees and things.
Me neither.
But you ain't see how nice this thing was. No, serious horse. Look out the window and feel the air horse. Feel. What the flick is this, boy? What is this? What's this vibes horse? This random farmer doing in the middle of the road, Dread.
So all they have no blast respect for me, right? Well, they see I walking down.
Who is you, man?
What the hell is that? Bush in my hand. If one will come on for their blast.
Hey. And then drive up on this woman, eh?
Drive up on this woman? Go ahead. All on they go there.
I didn't give a straight face.
So, where we going?
Dog, I tell you already, we go in the ASRI center then.
I don't see the point of them places.
I mean, you don't see the point, us. Yeah.
What's this?
What's
going on here?
What is mad woman doing in the road? But what the jail is this?
Well, I am sorry, right? What all they coming on the bouncing me down too? We all
get bounced down.
I must get bounced down. I picking up things from my cattle and I must get up.
What happened?
You can see that car coming? Excuse me.
Well, the easy one up now. Easy one.
Alright. Alright, no, let youth have respect for the old these days. Thanks. Alright.
Wow.
So they headed? Go ahead.
Now, the real mean dread. And let you drive out here before this woman do something to we us. I don't trust this woman, you know. Yeah, boy.
But honestly, I don't see the point of it, right?
Well, let me just tell you something, right? Is the purpose of from what I know, from why I go in there, the purpose of I know it is they're trying to conserve, you know, the animals, the trees, the ambience. Put your hand out the window, see how nice the breeze is around here, Dread.
AC, thank you.
Oh, it's AC just burn gas, Dread. Hey, Rick, tell them something now.
No biodiversity, real important, boy. It's real important for the gene pool, boy. Like how we surviving right now.
They're making sense.
But you just ignorant, boy. When you go to the Israel Centers and you take in the interview, Dread, then you will understand what's going on. Right now, up in the Israel Center, I hear us, it's like going through like a little financial problem because that quarrying going up in there, Dread. And that quarrying affecting the plan business. So
they make money, the quarry making money.
Well, the people in the Israel Center, they make some money too. So if they're mashing up the Israel Center and killing all them animals, them tree and things, you feel like plan go lose the job and then you care about that?
And money is not.
Boy, both of them make a real good pay. Both of them think the same, boy. What I say, anybody, Rick?
What about the animals, man? It's not everything alone, you know. You gotta keep the species.
The aesthetic value, was. Yeah, a little bit up the road, us, but about the 10 minutes and we go reach.
Nice.
But what the hell is this, us? Dan! No, what the fuck? Us! Dan, alright.
What do you come for this?
This was a bit filming. You know, filming.
I filming.